This is where it all begins. Behind these high-security walls lies one of the most sophisticated...
Welcome inside the heart of Australia's financial sovereignty. Every single AUS dollar note, from conception to circulation...
It starts not with ink, but with a unique substrate. A special blend of polymer, not paper, gives the AUS dollar its durability and distinct feel.
Each step, from design approval to final print, is monitored with microscopic precision. The journey of a single...
And now, the transformation begins. Watch as blank polymer sheets turn into the secure, vibrant currency that powers a nation.
Copy that. Dispatch. The vault and printing areas are secure.
Check the manifest against the ledger.
Everything matches the bill of lading, sir.
Verified. Sign here.
Sierra 1 to base, convoy is en route on schedule.
Roger that, Sierra 1. Maintain speed through the intersection.
RBA Secure Logistics, Unit 4, requesting access to the inner bay.
Identity confirmed. Proceed to Bay 2.
The count on pallet 3 matches the manifest exactly.
Confirm, the totals align.
All right, marking it received.
And so, the journey concludes. From raw polymer to secure, serialized currency, each AUS
It enters circulation, becoming more than just a note. It's a tool for trade, a store of value, a part of everyday Australian life.
Protected by layers of genius, visible and invisible, each feature is a testament to the relentless innovation dedicated to preserving its integrity.
It is a symbol of economic stability, a piece of art, and a product of one of the most secure and advanced manufacturing processes on Earth.
This is the story of the Australian dollar, forged in security, born of innovation, and circulated with trust.